And I am Archie, and today we are going to watch about the mass IC raid in the Minnesota, which are targeting the Indian student communities. As we all know about the new recent IC policies, and it's quite alarming situation in the US right now for the Indians as well as for the all international students.
This was a very shocking news, and I'm just thinking about the students, what they have done wrong thing, or also are they safe over there? I think so. This
Exactly.
video will help us to know that.
So let's get into this video.
Minnesota has become the focus of a major immigration crackdown, and it is sending shockwaves through the Indian student and the immigrant community. Reports have suggested that two Indian students working at a restaurant in St. Louis Park were arrested on January 15.
They were doing
A
part
photo
time.
shared online now has become the talk of the town, while authorities haven't confirmed who they were and why exactly they were in this home.
What they were doing?
Still, warning is clear. If you're working illegally in the United States, you could be the next. This isn't just an isolated incident. Just
Working in a
days later,
restaurant is
IC raided
illegal?
a Mexican restaurant in Willamette City, arresting several workers. Streets were empty, many local businesses were closed, and immigrants stayed back inside, afraid of being stopped. Well, some restaurants even stopped walk-in services, taking orders only for the online or by phone.
Oh,
The crackdown is affecting more than just illegal workers. Since 2025, the US has cancelled visa for over 3,000
Exactly.
yeah,
students,
we know that.
some caught working illegally, maybe including Indians, and major part of the illegal immigrant society. Legal immigrants are also at risk. Even small mistakes or minor crimes can lead a visa
Send you
cancellation and
back.
forced
Yeah.
torture. Well, here's a big twist. IC doesn't always need a warrant. People with no criminal records can be stopped in traffic, onto the street, or even at work. And if you are at the wrong place at wrong time,
Oh.
even your name not being on the list, it won't protect you. Many Gujaratis in Chicago have experienced the same first-handedly.
Oh.
And international students are now extremely cautious. Some may have stopped working, and on others, people IDs, basically the illegal working system,
Oh.
and others have left their jobs simply to stay at
In
the
the
safe
safe
place.
Hmm.
Well, the bigger picture is immigration enforcement under the Trump administration is intense and far reaching. It's not limited to one city, state, or community. The safest move right now is awareness.
Yeah.
Know the rules, follow them, and stay vigilant. So the question is, if you're a student or a worker in the United States, how would you stay safe during such raids? If you have any ideas,
This is very shocking. Like, students are at risk, and I think so. This is very risky. Like, I'm concerned about the students or the people who are working over there. They might be caught, their IDs can be checked, and also, like, if you are at the wrong timing or the wrong place, then also you can be in a trouble.
Exactly. Students' lives are at risk, and this is a very alarming situation. And also, due to the illegal immigrant community, the people with the legal immigrants they are facing troubles because
Yeah.
what do the legal immigrants do? Just because of a small to small situation, they can be in trouble. And as they talked about the restaurant issue, I also heard that two Indians were working in a restaurant, and I guess they were doing a part-time job, which was distinctive regarding the F1 visa regulations.
Oh, okay.
This was the information, and that was the reason I guess they were arrested. And I didn't found any illegal thing to be in this. Due to the illegal immigrants, the legal immigrants are facing issue. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.